Okay, I finally got rid of the low beam halogen bulbs. I ordered these Pathfinder LED lights for the low beams, and I like them, so I'll probably order them for the high beams as well. They were pretty easy to get in, but a little bit bigger than I thought they were going to be. Let me see if I can show you up inside there. I don't know if I can see up inside. Nah, you probably can't see in there, but hold on. Yeah, can't see in there. Anyway, that's it. They're really bright. Let me turn them on, I'll show you. Super duper. Look, that's daytime, you can see them, but look how, oh suck, ooh boy, those things are bright. I love them. I'm going to put them up. Well, let me turn on the high beam. Let me show you the difference. Look at the difference. Look how yellow the high beams are and how white the new LEDs are. So I'm going to buy them for the high beams too, I think. They were like 110 bucks. So I'll get those too. Got bugs on them. But anyway, bye. Check out that big old house right there. That's so cool. Nice house. They've added a lot to it over the years. Anyway, still out from my ride on Thursday. I had all my I had this camera set up. I was going to fly the GoPro Karma, and it uses this Hero 5 Black. So when you plug it in, it automatically goes to 2.7K linear, and I did a motor vlog with this today, and it looks terrible. So when I do a motor vlog, I shoot 1080p super view and about 30 frames per second. That way the stabilizer's on. So anyway, I didn't use hardly any of it, just a couple minutes of it, but I did shoot that turbine. That was really cool. Turbine. Anyway, bye. Hello there, YouTube. I'm trying out my new LED headlights. Man, these things are awesome. They are like bright white. I got them dialed down. Usually I run my halogens all the way up at 10. I got these dialed down to 7. I don't want to blind people, but I'll try it. See where it... I can see the road really well, though. Much better than those halogen bulbs. This is really kind of cool. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, I got the dark thing on. Hold on, you see, I pull this off. There we go. I have to put it in my pocket somehow. But I had that dark thing on the ND filter. Where can I put it so I don't lose it? Have to pull over. Probably looks better. I had the 16 ND filter on there. I got it in my hand. I don't want to drop it. Anyway, turn it off. I'll have to pull over.